Hey, hold on. Stop. Time out. Go back there.
A woman was pulled over by Louisville Metro Police Department officers for a bench warrant. After ordering her out of the vehicle, an officer, in an attempt to frisk her, groped her in front of her boyfriend by inappropriately placing his hand in her crotch area and in between her legs. After the incident, the woman filed a lawsuit. Take a look.
Like, okay, go ahead.
Good?
Yeah.
You don't care about checking you out, do you?
Hey, hold on. Stop. Time out. Go back there.
So rude.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? Just hang tight right here, okay?
Can I just shut the door?
Yeah. You can shut the door and with male officers, it's supposed to be the back of the hand.
Yeah.
So as soon as he did it wrong, ma'am, listen to me. Ma'am, can you turn around?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
just the way he did.
He's a new officer. I'm training him. That's why.
I'm sorry. I thought only a female.
No.
I don't have anything on me.
Ma'am.
Only a female officer is.
Males can search females, but we're supposed to use the back of our hands.
That's violation right
So
there.
that's why as soon as I saw him, I stopped him, told him to go to the back of the car. Okay? Okay. It's all being recorded. I want to let you know that. I want to reassure you of that. Okay? You okay, ma'am? Listen.
It was just, I've never had nobody.
I know.
It was awkward.
As soon as I saw it, that's why I stopped him. And I want to personally apologize to you, okay?
Yes.
I want to personally apologize. He had no idea what he's doing. I'll be honest with you.
The city settled the lawsuit by paying $50,000.